All right, welcome back to the channel, y'all. We're at it again. So today I'm going to go ahead and hurry up and clip these sweet potato slips off these potatoes. I know last time on the last video I accidentally called the slips potato and the potato slips. Not this time. So anyway, I'm going to break these sweet potato slips off the potato and go ahead and put them in water so they can start propagating. And as you remember last time on the last video, the tallest one on this particular potato was only 10 inches. Let's measure it today, see what it's at. So it was 10 inches last time. And this tallest one right here, it starts there, near the top of the potato, right? That one, look at that. Look at that. It was 10 inches last time, and now we are over 17 inches. Wow. That's 7 inches we've grown since Saturday. And today is Thursday, July 30th. Yeah, Thursday, July 30th. So 7 inches within the last 5 days. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So 5 days, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna hurry up and go ahead and, well actually I'm gonna show y'all this here first. The reason why I'm trying to hurry up and go ahead and put this thing in the ground. I'll go and plant these things in the ground today after I clip these, break these off the potato. So I transferred this one to a larger jar, right? Use any old jar out the kitchen, no matter what jar you use. And the reason why is so that I can develop a root system way up here, right? See there? Way up there we got roots, all right? Therefore, when you put this in the ground, actually I'm gonna go ahead and clip off the bottom 1 inch. The more roots you have, the bigger the harvest potatoes you get. And I'm gonna here put in the ground. Reason why, because if you can look and tell, some of the leaves, some of the foliage is starting to die off. Especially with this one. Now, I only have one in this jar here. It has a pretty good root system. But the only problem is, for some reason, and it may be because of the air or whatever the growing condition, the top part here is starting to die out. Okay, so I don't want it to die all the way down. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip the top of this thing off here, and go ahead and get ready to put that into the ground with these two big guys here. All right. Set that to the side and go ahead and work on this little guy right here. Well, this big guy right here, actually. So I'm gonna start with this one here. Like I said, this tall one. Actually, we got, yeah, about 2 of them coming out the same place, same spot. So let's go break that thing off. Twist it. I'm gonna twist it off. There we go. Twist off real nice and easy. All right, stick this thing into this jar of water, reverse osmosis water, not that old tap water stuff. You want to stay away from the chlorine and fluoride. Gotta keep it healthy. All right, what we at on this one here? So that was the tallest one, but what about this one that's next to the tallest? How tall is it? We're about 14 inches. I'm gonna put these things about 6 inches deep into the ground. Cut the bottom inch off, so they'll take it down to 13 inches. So if I can put it 6 inches in the ground to make sure we have enough space to grow, or for the potatoes to grow. Let me see. We're left about what, 6 inches beneath and 7 inches on the top. That's good. That's perfect. So I like them to be, yeah, at least about 10 to 12 inches. All right, so we'll break that one off too. Put this down some water so he can start propagating and developing roots. All right, where this one at? Let me see, where you start? He starts right there at the top of the glass. He's probably about 9 inches. I was wrong. He's almost 12 inches. Wow, let's go ahead and do this one too. He got some roots on him already. Just a little bit anyway, see that? But I do want more roots than that, okay? I want roots to come way up here, okay? So when I Like I said, I'm gonna cut this bottom inch off anyway. So these roots gonna go. Whatever they form here from the middle, where my hand at here, where my fingers are here, to that 1 inch that I'm gonna cut off, that's gonna go on the ground. Okay. So I would like to have probably about 5 or 6 inches of just root formation. This mason jar here, yeah, right at 6 inches. See? So if I can get the root system about 6 inches high, that's what's gonna go beneath the ground. And you're gonna get a lot of potatoes out of that. All right, let's see what this guy here is. He started there. I know he know. He ain't talking other guy, so he's about 9.5 inches. Yeah, so we'll wait just a few days for that one. And just as well as the rest of them. Man, this one potato here has a lot of energy coming out of it. Okay, a lot of energy coming out of it. Now those two right there, I got off of this potato over here just the other day. Yeah, I think we got off this one the other day. Yeah, only one off this guy here. These over here are white sweet potatoes. This one is the only yellow sweet potato. As you can tell, I like white sweet potatoes better. So look at this guy here, right? He looks terrible right now, right? Some of the foliage is starting to die out. And the reason why, this guy here, he is taking all the energy. He's hydrating himself. You come here, over here in the morning, you see a good inch of water going. Some of it evaporate in the air, but the rest of it, this guy here, he's drinking it up. So these little guys here that's starting to die off, I'm not gonna worry about them. Let's go ahead and clip them off so he can get all the energy he needs to grow nice, big, and strong. Nice, big, and strong. All right. A couple more. Not worry about them. They're dying anyway, so no point in trying to keep the dead foliage alive. It's only gonna deprive the main slips or stems or whatever of energy and water. Or energy, water, and nutrients. All right, so that's that. This fella here, he has nothing that's worth worrying about right now. You got two nice, healthy ones coming out. I'll tell you what, go ahead and clip this lower leaf off here. Well, it broke off about something. Go ahead and clip this guy off, because I want these things to grow as fast as possible. I said this one here, you're 7 inches in 5 days. So that's about 1.5 inches per day. About 1.5 inches per day. That's a lot of growth, y'all. These sweet potato slips grow very fast. So while we are recording, or that you guys are with me, let's go and take a look at this guy here. He got some nice root formation coming, right? Got a little slip coming out right here. Go ahead and draw him off, just show y'all what we're working with, how he looked. Let me see how we zoomed in. Yeah, okay, we zoomed in good enough. Right there, right there. Yeah, right there. See what I'm saying? So we got something coming. It won't be long, too much longer from this point. So he's doing nice. I think I put this one here probably about maybe in 2 weeks. I think they're kind of slow though for some reason. Those two are kind of slow. I noticed they're not as big as these guys here. And some people say it does not matter how big the potato is. It's still going to develop the same amount of roots, the same amount of time, within the same amount of time. I don't know how true it is. Maybe it is, but hey, for some reason, these guys here, these small guys are not growing as fast as these big guys are. Those guys started sprouting within the first week. You know, look at this guy here. 2 weeks later, he got nothing. Nothing at all, y'all. You see that? Nothing at all. All right? Nothing. See that? Oh, well. When he get ready to grow, he'll grow. Sometimes it need a little extra time. Like people. You know, everybody don't work on the same pace. So let me see these. Okay, yeah, these here. When I just pull it off, I'm gonna let these sit in here, sit over here for a few more days to go ahead and start developing roots. And these three guys here, guess what? Y'all get to follow me outside and see me plant these guys. All right, let's do that now. All right, so as far as me getting everything measured in, you know, trying to decide where exactly everything is going to go. Well, let me just say like this. I may go ahead and just, I may let y'all watch me do this, but for the sake of this, the length of the video, I may edit this part out. So it may be a while. But anyway, this is where I'm putting it at. I may have said this already to you guys. So we have, anyway, let me show you this. Show y'all this. So, well, these pretty little bushy guys right here, all right. So from the edge of the of this row right here, okay. Well, I'm gonna say, yeah, from the edge of the row right to here is all that I'm dedicating to the sweet potato slip area. Okay, this is sweet potato slips that's going to grow out of the ground from sweet potatoes that I buried. All right, that's what these guys are. They are from the sweet potatoes I buried. Okay, those are not potatoes growing beneath the ground right there. Okay, it's slips growing beneath the ground that I'll be transplanting over here. You see that? Over here in this area, all the way up into this point here. This point here, from here, y'all can see. Let me see. All right, from here all the way to here, which is only about a good 6 to 10 inches, right? From the bush beans. There's a little empty space here, or a wall between the two, right? So up until this point, that's all white potatoes. Okay, 4 rows. And while I'm showing y'all this, I noticed that we finally have some germination. Let me see if I can find it here. It's over there. Maybe it's over here, I guess. Nah, that's not what it's at. Nah, it's right here. Yeah, it's right there. See that? Y'all see that? That is a, let me see, what is right here? Oh, that's a red potato right there. That's red potato I planted, okay? I think so. Yeah, I think there's red potatoes right here. Or red skin potatoes, okay, white in the flesh, right? Okay, yeah. Red skin here. Red skin there. Over here we have russet potatoes, okay? And over that side there, on the far side, we have Yukon Gold. I better go ahead and get to working over here because we're running out of sunlight. It's nearing 8 o'clock, okay? So I got to make this quick, y'all. So let me set this camera down. And y'all may get to watch me do this. Like I said, I may edit it out for sake of the video, the length of the video. No one can stand a very, very, very long video. All right, so let's so we can flip this thing back around. Yeah, there we go. Flip back around. Okay. I gotta see if I can keep this thing somewhere where it won't fall over. Oh, that work? That work. I don't know how to set this thing. How about right there? You might not be able to see it all, but you get the gist of it. 18 inches. The first 18 inches is dedicated to the sweet potato slips. So we have over there, right? The first 18 inches. All right, sweet potato slips. You talk loud. First 18 inches sweet potato slips. All the way up to about 7.5 feet, right? Okay, 7.5 feet. If I subtract 18 inches from it, it gives me about a good 6 feet of planting potato space, right? For my potato patch. Like I say, the first 18 inches is for these sweet potato slips that's planted directly inside the ground. The potatoes are directly inside the ground. So we start measuring from about 18 inches past that point, right? I'll tell you what, I'm going to push this thing back to about here. Look at 18 inches there. Alright. So I say 18 inches because I will put a few more potatoes right here on this side. I only got 4 right here. So I'll put about 2 more over there. So it'll be 6 total. And then put about 2 more here. I'm sorry, about 1 more row here. It'll be 6 more. Okay, so that's all I need for sweet potato slips. Because as you can see, this is a lot of slips right here. Yeah, that's a lot of slips. Okay, and we only gonna grow more from this point. All right. So this 6 feet right here is being dedicated to the sweet potato slips. Okay, that's going to grow potatoes. You know, that's going to be the potato patch. 6 feet, 6 feet of growing space. It may be a little bit more. It's not going to be less. Maybe a little bit more though. We'll see. Cause we're going to try to get as much space as we can for sweet potatoes. I like sweet potatoes. All right. So cool. All right. Now let's see. We're going to measure across, right? 4 rows. 4 rows. Okay. So we got here. Okay, around about 6.5, right? Is where the potatoes start. Okay. Now, so I'm going to start about. I guess I'll start here right at 6. Okay, y'all, right at 6. So that'd be 7.5 feet total. Maybe I should get more space. Let's go here. Let's go 5.5. Okay. So it's gonna put it around about what? 6 to 6 inches. Okay. So we'll start 6 to 6 inches. See where the leaf is right there? That's where we're gonna start at. So we'll do like 1 row here. Okay. 1 row about right. So I like to go about from the edge, maybe about. Let's go. You're gonna have space, right? See, the garden row starts about here, okay? From the ground, right? Anything here is solid. This here, from here, right there, to right here, okay? That's all the space that it needs, okay? That's about a good 8 inches of space, all right? So I like to have as much much space possible to plant, my sweet potatoes or anything else for that matter. So 6 to 6 inches. You'll start right here, okay? I just put my finger in that hole, in the ground right there. All right. So that's where my first potato slip is gonna go. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and run in the house and grab those slips, and I'll be right back.